That smells really bad. We're gonna be doing some burps. Oh, we're gonna be doing some burps for you. So, okay. We're gonna try our best. Sometimes it might not be that great, but usually we do it really good. Like that. Alright, let's start.
You go next.
Oh, I can't do it on the video. Like, we can do it on videos, but when we, like, end the video, it's like, where did that come from? And we, like, burp like crazy. Okay, ready? I can't burp!
You know what, Mikey? You go close your eyes.
Don't make me laugh. See? I started doing that, but then I went like this. And then I went, I know mine does sometimes too. It's from all the burping. That's great. I didn't throw up. It was like. Ta-da! My stomach hurts too now. That still works! I know! How do you...
Okay,
People commented that she's better.
I'm better now, right?
Well, yeah, you're kind of actually doing really good. Like, on burping contest. She was like, that's what she did. But I was like, someone commented, oh my god, I'm so much better. And then she's like, ugh. And I'm like, no! Oh my god. Okay, we should burp into each other's mouths, but we're not going to do that because that's really disgusting.
And then
I just had that pop into my head. I don't know why. Okay, we're going to do a few more burps and then we're going to leave because this video is pretty long. But it's just like us burping and stuff, but pretty good burps. Just,
oh, shoot.
So, yeah. Like, I'm usually the one who keeps doing that, but now I can't even burp today.
That was better.
Yeah. Like,
Go. Burp with the baby. Go.
sorry, I can't burp today. 4 minutes went by so fast now. So we're gonna finish up at like 5 minutes. Like at 5 minutes, not in 5 minutes. Sorry.
What do you do really good when your stomach starts hurting?
Well, my stomach doesn't hurt. I'm glad that doesn't hurt.
Mine
My mouth looks so weird there. What? Same. And we have 8, 7, 6. Leave.